You can't see the sun because it's cloudy, so I don't know for sure if it's going down, but it's getting darker. Either that or I'm getting so tired that my eyes are breaking. I'm going to either have to find a shelter or I'm going to have to make a shelter. But I definitely can't just run around out here like a coyote or something. Menage a vu, or déjà trois, something. The French people have a name for it, and what it means is when you feel like you did something before, or you've been somewhere before, but you really haven't, and you just get this freaky feeling. I get this freaky feeling right now like I've been here before. But of course, there's no way I've been here before because I don't know where I am. So that can't be right. I'm going to come get you and I'm going to eat you. I'm a bad predator. Look at me. That's right. I'm Bigfoot. I'm real. Look at me. You didn't believe in me. You didn't believe in me. I crushed you. Bigfoot. Some call me Yeti or Sasquatch. Look at my fur. I'm not even cold out here in the snow. Oh, I love it in the snow. Look at me. I don't even get cold because of my fur. I'm Bigfoot. He can do this, you know, like if he's doing Pilates or some kind of exercise, he can do that. Mac, this is a pretty good toy. Here, Bigfoot. I'm gonna make you a shelter, Bigfoot, because I'm your friend. Cory loves Bigfoot. I believed in you. I believed in you, Bigfoot. So don't hurt me. That's right, I believed in you, that you were real. I did, Bigfoot. I believed you were real. So don't attack me. Or my kittens. See? Look, I made you like a Bigfoot shelter. There you go. You got a Bigfoot shelter now. See Bigfoot? He's got a shelter now. Oh crap. I need to get a shelter. I need to get a real shelter. I forgot. This Bigfoot was so fun to play with. I forgot I needed to get a shelter. I totally forgot I needed to get a shelter. I'm going to be in big trouble because I was playing with this Bigfoot. I need to hurry.